In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys some advanced finger tricks for speed cubing that you should know. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Abner Brajesh and welcome to Superflip, the channel where every Wednesday and Friday I post videos such as tutorials, unboxings, reviews, competition vlogs, etc. to enhance your cubing knowledge. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then consider subscribing. A lot of people struggle when it comes to speed cubing just because they don't use good finger tricks. And I was one of those people too. I was always too stubborn to learn new things because they were just too hard or I just didn't want to learn them. But I have seen people finger trick U's like this. I have seen people finger trick F's like this. And I don't want you guys to make the same mistake. So keep watching if you want to learn some great finger tricks and improve your times by seconds or more. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys 5 awesome finger tricks that you guys should know if you plan to get faster. So let's begin. The first one is probably the most important one, and it is U2. The most popular way I see beginners finger trick U2 is by doing UU with the same finger like this. And if you're doing a fast solve, this is never going to help you get fast times. So instead of doing this, try doing this. When you first start off, you're going to do the U with the pointer finger like you would usually do. And then you would come and follow through with the middle finger. Okay? So fast, that looks like this. Almost all of the finger tricks I'll be showing in this video are for righties, but if you're a lefty, then just do it on the left hand. For example, this move right here, which I just taught you, just do it on your left hand, like this. So again, you do a U with your pointer, and then you follow through with the middle finger, like this. So you'd keep both fingers on the exact same piece, like this. You do the U, and then immediately follow through with another U, except this time it's with the middle finger. So fast, that looks like this. Now, probably the next most important finger trick that I'm going to show you guys is the RUR prime finger trick. Now, what I mean by this is in some algorithms, you're going to have RUR prime and then the rest of the algorithm. For example, you have the T-perm, RUR prime, and then you would finish off. You have the J-perm, RUR prime, and then you would finish off. And for the F-perm, you're not starting with an RUR prime, but it is definitely in the algorithm. So R prime, U prime, F prime, RUR prime, so that's the RUR prime, and then you would finish off the rest of the algorithm. So instead of doing this move, this is very bad because in most algorithms that have RUR prime, you're either doing a U move, an F move, or an R move after this. If you did it like this, if you're going to do an F move, you'll have to resort to doing this, and then you might have to regrip if you're doing something else. If you're going to do a U move, you either have to do it if you're a righty with your left hand, which might be a bit awkward, and if you're a lefty, you might have to do it with your right hand, which might be a bit awkward. And if you're going to do an R move, that's not too awkward, but it's awkward for the others. So instead, a much better finger trick to do is hold the corner just like this, so pointer finger here, thumb here. Put the rest of your fingers on the back just like this. Turn the right side up like that. Use your pointer on this sticker to turn it like that, just like that. That's a U. And then you do R prime again. So now your hand is back in this position, so you can do U's, you can do F moves, and you can do R's very easily. So if you saw, that's what I used in the beginning for the T-perm. I did that, and then I continued. I did the same thing for the J-perm. There it is right there. And then same thing with the F-perm. The third finger trick that I have for you guys is also one of the most important ones, and this is an F-prime finger trick. So as I showed the T-perm, J-perm, and F-perm for the U move, this is also a good example for the F-prime move. So in the T-perm, you're going to do the algorithm, and then instead of re-gripping and doing the F-prime like that, you could easily just do the algorithm, and then when your thumb's already here, you could just use it to move the F prime up just like that, and that's very simple. Same with the J perm. You do RUR prime, which you should be using the finger trick I just taught you. Then when your thumb's right here, instead of re-gripping to do the F prime, you could just use your thumb, which I still have to work on that because I still, when I'm nervous, do the re-grip one. And then you would just finish off the algorithm. Even for the F perm, you would do R prime, U prime, and since your thumb's already here, you could do the F prime right here, and then continue with the algorithm. So as you saw, that one was very simple. You just have to take your thumb when it's here, and just put it on the corner, and just turn up. Very simple. And if you're lefty, you would just do it this way. And just a quick note before we move on to finger trick number 4, you should be implementing all of these finger tricks into yourselves if you want to get faster, and in the same algorithms as well. Alright, so the finger trick number 4 is the M2. So there are 2 ways that people do M2 that I've seen. Either they do my way, which is M prime, with opposite ring fingers. So instead of doing this with the same ring finger, you do different ring fingers, like this. That way is most comfortable for me and it works well for me. But other people, like my friend Sajad, who you can see in this video right here, prefer this method. You would do the first M prime with your ring finger and the second M prime with your middle finger. So like this. So in this method, you're using the exact same hand, and in my method, you're using different hands. I personally don't like this one because my hand gets caught on the piece every time, but you guys can experiment and choose which one you like. The M2 finger trick is very useful in algorithms such as the H perm because you're constantly doing M2s. So rather than doing this, you could do this. As you can see, this is very fast compared to the other one, so you should learn this if you're looking to cut down on your times. So the last finger trick I'm going to be showing you guys is the D2 finger trick. The D2 finger trick is very useful in algorithms such as the A perm, which I'll show you right now. And I'll teach you two ways to do it. So the first way is the way I like to do it. So you take one of your ring fingers, whichever one you want. Since I'm ready, I use my lefty since it's A perms. And you just double flick with the same finger for the D. So in an A perm, it looks like this. As you can see, it gets the job done pretty quickly, so that's why I like it. The other way to do it is to do the flick with the ring finger and then immediately follow up with the middle finger. I'm not very good at this method, but I'll try it for the A perm. I'm not very good at this method, which is another reason why I choose the other method, but again, you guys experiment and choose which one you like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you liked it. If you enjoyed it and you got something out of it, then remember to give it a like and share it with your friends if you think they can get something out of it. Subscribe to this channel for weekly uploads on Wednesday and Friday if you want to get faster or just want to be entertained. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!